The given question is f of x equal to 6x square plus 11x minus 19. Then f dash of x equal to how much? By using standard formula. Standard formula is f dash of x equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h if f of x equal to 6x square plus 11x minus 19. The question, then f of x plus h equal to 6x plus h square plus 11x plus h minus 19. We are just replacing this x plus by this, substituting in this formula. F dash of x equal to limit h tends to 0 6x plus h square plus 11x plus h minus 19. This is f of x plus h minus this is f of x 6x square plus 11x minus 19 by h. Limit h tends to 0 x 6 into x square plus 2x h plus h square plus this is looks like y, because why I am right like this, because this is the a plus b. This is looks like a plus b whole square. We have the formula a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Like this, x square plus 2hx plus h square plus 11 into x 11x plus 11 into h 11h minus 19 minus into 6x square minus 6x square minus into 11x minus into 11 plus 11x minus 11x minus into minus 19 minus 9 plus 19 by h equal to limit h tends to 0 6x square plus multiply with this 6 into x square 6x square plus 6 into 2 12 into xh plus 6 into h square 6h square plus 11x 11 plus 11h minus 19 minus 6x square minus 11x plus 19 by h. Then I cancelled plus 6x square minus 6x square, then 11x plus 11x and minus 11x minus 19 plus 19 I cancelled, remaining I write down the 12 xh plus 6h square plus 11h by h equal to limit h tends to 0 h is in this, h is common, that's why I took out from this. If remaining is right in this bracket 12x plus 6h h square. I took out this by common plus and 11 by h equal to limit s tends to 0 12x plus 6h plus 11 equal to 12x plus 6 into 0. I put h equal to 0 equal to 12x plus 6 into 0 plus 11 equal to 12x plus 0 plus 11 equal to 12x plus 11. This is the final answer.